Hey everyone, this is Patrick from EasyFX Code Trading System, and it's Tuesday the 5th of November 2019, and this is the daily analysis for spot gold and dollar yen. Let's begin with spot gold, and from yesterday it has already started to retrace right from the start of the week and almost reaching the weekly pivot. This week's weekly pivot is at 1503.68, and it's just trying to dip lower towards it, and overall it's still in a large ascending triangle. Let's take a look at the 4-hour time frame, and it's not able to retest the upper trend line here, and started to roll over yesterday, and this is in response to positive news coming out from the trade negotiations between US and China, and it's moved into a risk-on environment, so spot gold has been retracing lower, and you will see on the dollar yen it has been climbing up in reverse. Let's also identify this area now as a key, the next intermediate support zone between the 55 period EMA just above 1501 and the weekly pivot, and of course there's a key support below that at the 1500 and the 200 EMA, as well as the monthly pivot, which is at 1497.07. In fact, let me lower this to between the 55 period EMA and the 1500 level, and this is going to be a key support zone for gold. Right, and we can actually make this fainter. There is a lower triangle trend line from October, which is extended, and will be the next support area if it does drop below this 38% fib retracement area, and that should provide strong support there if it does break down lower. Alright, let's take a look at the dollar yen, and the opposite effect for dollar yen has been climbing up since yesterday, and after the previous fall from the ascending wedge, it has recovered from the 38 fib retracement and climbing back up to the 200 EMA and above the 21 fib retracement already. That's for today. Let's take a look at the 4-hour time frame, and this was the previous resistance and turn support, and now it's creeping back up above this resistance area, intermediate resistance area. It's around the 108.75 area. So this was the previous resistance, so we can move this back up to this area for intermediate support. The weekly pivot for this week is at 108.45. So it's already climbed back up above that, and the 55 period EMA. So we'll see whether it's able to continue higher as the optimism on the phase 1 deal continues, and both sides are hoping to sign an agreement within this month. Alright, so for the moment it's the retracement has abated, and now it's forming the start of a new bullish recovery, and we'll see whether it's able to continue higher to the weekly R1 level, just at the 109.00 level. Alright, let's take a look at this area now is may not happen yet, so we can remove that for now. So later tonight there's also US ISM non-manufacturing PMI, so we'll need to watch out for that, although it should not be too significant, and we'll see during the US trading session whether this bullish recovery will continue for the dollar yen, and whether spot gold will continue to retrace lower. Alright, meanwhile we'll follow up on Thursday to see what the price action is over the next couple of days. Have a good trading week, and cheers.